Are you ready to witness the dawn of a new intelligence? Forget what you know about AI. Apple is poised to redefine our interaction with technology, merging mind and machine in ways previously unimaginable. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and connect. For decades, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of personal technology, from the Macintosh to the iPhone. Now, we stand at the precipice of their most ambitious leap yet, a deep integration of artificial intelligence that transcends mere software. This isn't about incremental improvements. It's about a foundational re-architecture of our digital lives. We are entering an era where our devices anticipate our needs, understand our context, and seamlessly augment our capabilities. This future is not distant. It's being engineered right now within Apple's secretive labs. Prepare for a world where your technology truly understands you. Apple's approach to AI is distinct, focusing on-device intelligence powered by their custom silicon. The neural engine in their A-series and M-series chips is a testament to this commitment, enabling unparalleled performance and privacy for complex AI tasks. This architecture empowers developers to build incredibly sophisticated, responsive applications directly on user devices. Imagine an AI that truly understands your intent, not just your words. This is the future Apple is building, moving far beyond the rudimentary voice assistants of today. For AI developers, this opens up a vast new canvas for innovation, leveraging powerful, private, and pervasive AI capabilities. The Apple Vision Pro is merely the first step into the realm of spatial computing, a precursor to even more profound interactions. This technology lays the groundwork for a future where our digital and physical worlds seamlessly merge, creating immersive and intuitive experiences. But what comes next? We speculate on the eventual integration of neural interfaces, allowing for direct thought-to-device communication. Imagine controlling your environment, accessing information, or even creating content with a mere thought. This isn't science fiction, it's the logical progression for future gadgeteers seeking the ultimate in seamless interaction. For Apple investors, this deep dive into AI represents a monumental growth opportunity. The integration of advanced AI will not only enhance existing product lines, but also unlock entirely new revenue streams and ecosystems. This strategic pivot solidifies Apple's competitive advantage in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. The value proposition extends beyond hardware sales, driving increased engagement with services and fostering unparalleled customer loyalty. Analyzing Apple's historical ability to monetize new paradigms, we forecast significant long-term returns for those who recognize the scale of this AI transformation. This is a foundational shift that will redefine market leadership. As we embrace this powerful new era, ethical considerations and user empowerment remain paramount. Apple's historical commitment to privacy and security will be more critical than ever as AI becomes deeply embedded in our lives. This ensures that these transformative technologies serve humanity, not control it. For Apple users, this means a future where technology is more intuitive, more helpful, and more personal than ever before. It's about empowering individuals with tools that amplify their creativity, productivity, and connection, all while safeguarding their digital well-being. This is not just about new gadgets, it's about a new way of being. Are you ready to be part of this incredible journey? Subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the future of tech. Hit the like button if you're excited about Apple's AI revolution, and share your thoughts in the comments below.